What's up, guys? Fresco BK here, live at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. I've got a special unboxing look for you guys today, as you've been following, liking, and sharing all of our videos on Facebook and on YouTube, and we thank you guys for that. But we are unboxing the Off-White Hallows Eve, All Hallows Eve, and the Grim Reaper, the two off-white blazers that are set to release just before Halloween. But of course, we got them here early at Stadium Goods. So scratch all this talking, let's get straight into these shoes. So first up, we have here the Grim Reaper. So here's the box top on the Grim Reaper, and you'll see the difference between the two and the names. And once again, I mentioned these are straight for Halloween, but yeah, we got them here early. But the off-white blazer Grim Reaper. We have the upper here with like a mesh overlay, like mesh and canvas, so to speak. Then we have the black, full black midsole. The shoe's predominantly all black throughout. We have the black toe cap right there, which is classic to most blazer silhouettes. Once again, the mesh also in the toe area, but the outer panel and the inner panel differ, as the outer panel has the mesh, as I mentioned, and the inner panel features the leather towards the back panel of the shoe and the suede towards the toe area. Also, once again, with the white swoosh. So this swoosh actually runs throughout the entire shoe. You'll see it's fully connected on both sides. Back to the outer panel, orange pull tab, which is classic to most off-white blazer styles. We have the newly colored, I should say, zip tie. So we haven't seen the zip tie with like this light blue color. We've seen red, we've seen white. We got the light blue right here. Let's get to the tongue area. Features the stitching right there in the tongue. And as we get to the outer tongue, you see the Nike sportswear right there. And classic to all off-white styles is the off-white for Nike Blazer Mid. So it labels each shoe and the production year of each shoe, but of course the swoosh overlay covers the production year of the blazer. We have the back panel graphic right here. I'm not sure what this is, guys, but please let me know in the comments if you know, because I really don't. But it's actually just a pretty cool hit right here. We have the Nike with the suede hit right there, also on the back tab. Nothing on the inner tongue. The exposed foam right there, also on the tongue. And on the insole features the 10 logo with the Nike right there on the inside. I'll give you one last look at the Grim Reaper off-white blazer. And now we're gonna get into the All Hallows Eve. We've got the Grim Reaper to my right. We've got the classic of the first 10 to my left. And we have the All Hallows Eve right here. Nike swoosh on the box top. As we all know, all the off-white boxes are in reverse. But let me know what you guys think of these in the comments. I actually like this colorway a lot. Definitely a fall vibe. Pumpkin spice is the term that's been floating around Stadium Goods today. But here we have the All Hallows Eve right there. So let's just take a look at these. Very similar to the Grim Reaper pair that I just showed you, with the mesh like canvas overlay here on the outer panels into the toe box area. We have the toe box cap right there. Sail outsole with the, I want to say safety orange swoosh. We have the teal hit here. Very Miami also. Miami Dolphins vibe to these. We have the graphic right there in the back once again. Zip tie, blue zip tie, tonal laces. And these also come with the teal laces as the pull tab that I just showed you. So let's get to the outsole on these. It's like a slightly lighter than sail, or slightly darker, I should say, than sail on the outsole. So we have the sail outsole. It's like a peach looking kind of outsole, if you ask me, but let me know in the comments what color you think this is. So as we get to the tongue area here, once again, the orange stitching right there in the tongue. Nike sportswear again. I showed you guys the teal laces. Take these out, drop them right here, and the 10 logo right there on the insert. Nike and the suede on the back panel. And I'm gonna give you guys one last look at the All Hallows Eve off-white blazer. So we've got the All Hallows Eve, once again, the first of the 10, the original 10. And we have the Grim Reaper, all three colorways. You guys just let me know what you guys think in the comments, which one is your favorite. I'm still leaning towards the original colorway, but I do like these a lot. And the Grim Reaper is cool to me, but I'm definitely going 1, 2, 3 on these. But let me know what order you guys have in the comments and which ones you guys like. But we have all three available right here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys again for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook and on YouTube. Please make sure you download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and Android. Please visit stadiumgoods.com for any questions or inquiries you guys may have regarding these blazers or anything that we may have. And last but not least, follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. I am Fresco BK, and salud.